Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program. Today is 16th July. If we see yesterday's realized rainfall, so maximum rainfall was reported in Ghat areas of Tamil Nadu, especially Nilgiris district with 37 centimeter, followed by coastal and south interior Karnataka and then Gujarat region, Konkan, Goa, Kerala, Telangana, Assam, Meghalaya and Odisha. So orange and red color shows that extremely heavy rainfall, and orange color shows that very heavy rainfall, and yellow color shows that heavy rainfall. So accordingly, Odisha, Telangana, West Madhya Pradesh and Assam Meghalaya reported very heavy rainfall. Gujarat region, Madhya Maharashtra, coastal and south interior Karnataka and Ghat areas of Tamil Nadu reported extremely heavy rainfall. Konkan and Goa and Kerala reported very heavy rainfall. Saurashtra, Kutch, Lakshadweep area and Uttarakhand also reported heavy rainfall. Accordingly, 37 centimeter in Nilgiris district, and in Shimoga 33 centimeter in south interior Karnataka, coastal Karnataka, Uttar Kannada 26 centimeter, Gujarat region Surat 25 centimeter, in Konkan and Goa, South Goa 19 centimeter, in Kerala Idiki district 18 centimeter, Telangana Karimnagar 13 centimeter, in Assam Meghalaya Kachar 13 centimeter, and Odisha South Odisha Korapur 12 centimeter. So this is today's highlights. Was isolated extremely heavy rainfall likely over Gujarat region, Konkan and Goa, coastal and south interior Karnataka, North Kerala today, with possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall during subsequent 4 or 5 days over these regions. And second point is that monsoon is likely to be active over peninsular India and central India during next 4 or 5 days. Now this is monsoon trough. So monsoon trough today is south of its normal position like yesterday. And today monsoon is starting from Jaisalmer, then Kota, then Raisen, then center of low pressure area over South Chhattisgarh adjoining Vidarbha, then Gopalpur in Odisha, and then going to central parts of Bay of Bengal. And this is another remaining synoptic system. So we are having one low pressure area over South Chhattisgarh adjoining Vidarbha, shown by LPA by red circle. And then there is a wind shear zone in middle levels roughly over north peninsular India of 19 degree north, and there is a seasonal offshore trough running from south Gujarat to North Kerala. This is South Gujarat to North Kerala. This is shear zone. This is low pressure area, and there is a cyclone circulation over northeast Assam in lower tropospheric levels. So under the influence of these synoptic systems and this monsoon trough likely to be south during next 4 or 5 days, and there is a possibility of formation of a low pressure area also over Bay of Bengal around 19. We will discuss later about this system. And now we will discuss 5 days warning. So accordingly, west coast, as already mentioned in the highlight, that extremely heavy rainfall is expected over Gujarat, Konkan, Goa, coastal and south Indian Karnataka, North Kerala and Ghat areas of Tamil Nadu today, with possibility of very heavy rainfall over Madhya Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and heavy rainfall over Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, North interior Karnataka, East Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, and there is a possibility of thunderstorm activity over West Rajasthan, West Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and heavy rainfall is expected over northeast India, including Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Somaliland, West Bengal, and Sikkim. There is a possibility of heavy rainfall over Andaman Nicobar Islands also. Today we have issued orange color for thunderstorm and cloud to ground lightning, frequent flashes of cloud to ground lightning over eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Overall, Madhya Pradesh region likely to experience moderate to intense thunderstorm with light to moderate rainfall at many places, with possibility of frequent flashes of cloud to ground lightning. So there is a request from IMD to be cautious while going out during a thunderstorm activity. And now we will discuss about 17th, again orange color because of lightning. We have gone for East Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh region, and accordingly along again west coast is likely to be active with possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall on 17th of July, with possibility of extremely heavy rainfall over coastal Karnataka, and very heavy rainfall possibility over West Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan and Uttarakhand, and heavy rainfall possibility over Punjab, Haryana and West Rajasthan, and heavy rainfall also likely over Telangana, Vidarbha and coastal Andhra Pradesh and Odisha on 17th of July. There is a possibility of heavy rainfall over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Andaman Nicobar Islands, and on 18th of July the activity likely to increase over Telangana, under the influence of likely formation of a low pressure area over Bay of Bengal. So accordingly, very heavy rainfall is expected over Telangana and coastal Andhra Pradesh on 18th of July. And again, very heavy rainfall activity likely to continue along the west coast, including Gujarat, Konkan, Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, coastal and south India, Karnataka, and Kerala and Mahe. And there is a possibility of again increase of rainfall activity over Konkan and Goa and Madhya Maharashtra with possibility of extremely heavy rainfall on 18th of July. And heavy rainfall is expected over central parts of the country, including Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh, and over East India, especially over Odisha, and over Northeast India, Nagaland, Manipur and Tripura, over Northwest India, again Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, West Rajasthan with possibility of heavy rainfall and very heavy rainfall expectation over East Rajasthan and Uttarakhand. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar likely to experience thunderstorm activity on 18th of July. On 19th, again, the activity likely to continue over North Peninsular India, including Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and adjoining East India, including Odisha, over Central India, Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh. So this pocket, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha likely to experience heavy to very heavy rainfall under the influence of a likely formation of a low pressure area over Bay of Bengal, and again heavy to very heavy rainfall activity to continue over Konkan, Goa, Ghat areas of Madhya Maharashtra, coastal Karnataka and Kerala, and possibility of extremely heavy rainfall over Konkan and Goa and Madhya Maharashtra on 19th of July, and heavy rainfall over Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and the possibility of lightning activity over West Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh region. Over Northeast India, we are expecting heavy rainfall over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Assam, Meghalaya. Over remaining East India, Gangetic West Bengal likely to experience heavy rainfall. On 20th, again the activity likely to continue over Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha region, and along the west coast, Konkan, Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, coastal and south India, Karnataka, and heavy rainfall is expected over Gujarat and Kerala, and over central India, over Madhya Pradesh and over northwest India, East Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh likely to experience heavy rainfall. Over northeast India, adjoining East India, including Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim, Gangetic West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Andaman Nicobar Islands likely to experience heavy rainfall. On 20th of July, we will discuss in brief about the district-wise warning of different states given by red color today. So, day one color is red color is given to Saurashtra and South Gujarat region for today, and tomorrow orange color is given to the districts of Saurashtra and South Gujarat region, especially over Gujarat, especially over Surat, Navsari, Valsad, and here in Saurashtra over Devbhumi, Dwarika, Porbandar, Junagadh, Rajkot, etc. And this warning map for Karnataka, again the districts of Uttara Kannada, Dakshin Kannada, Udupi, Shimoga, etc. likely to experience extremely heavy rainfall today and tomorrow. This is weather warning map for Goa. Again, North and South Goa likely to experience widespread light to moderate rainfall with possibility of isolated extremely heavy rainfall over North Goa and South Goa today, and tomorrow very heavy rainfall with possibility of widespread rainfall light to moderate. This is warning map for Maharashtra. So again, this coastal districts of Konkan and adjoining areas of Madhya Maharashtra and Vidarbha likely to experience today very heavy rainfall. Tomorrow again Konkan and Goa district, especially Ratnagiri, Sindhudurga, etc. districts likely to experience very heavy rainfall, and Vidarbha likely to experience heavy rainfall tomorrow. This is overall district-wise warning at India level. So you can see that along the west coast, orange to red color is given with isolated patches of orange color over Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha today, and tomorrow again orange color is continue for west coast with red color over coastal Karnataka and patches of orange color with possibility of very heavy rainfall with intense thunderstorm and lightning activity over Madhya Pradesh region. So this is 5 days warning. Now we will discuss about the flash flood risk. This is valid for tomorrow 11:30 hours IST. Again the west coast including south Gujarat to Kerala, North Kerala, there is a possibility of flash flood risk because of continuation of extremely heavy rainfall over these regions. This is fisherman warning graphics. They are available at RSMC website. So accordingly, west coast has given fisherman warning for next 5 days, and east coast is also likely to experience squally weather with the wind speed 45 to 55 gusting to 65 kmph, especially from 18th of July till subsequent 3 days, that is till 21st of July. So this is weather warning and update for next 5 days, and we will update again tomorrow with the same YouTube channel, and you can visit our website mausam.imd.gov.in and also our Facebook and X for updated information. So this is all about today's. We'll update tomorrow. Till then, namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.